A 20 Newton box rests on 15 Newton box on a perfectly smooth horizontal floor. When a horizontal 15 Newton pull to the right is exerted on the lower box, both boxes move together. Find the magnitude of the net external force on the upper box. Here. First box, what is the first box? F1 G, that means the weight is given here. Okay, W is equal to Fg is equal to 20 newtons is given to you. Therefore, from this you have to find out, as you know, W is equal to mg. Okay, M is equal to W by G. Okay, so therefore you have to find M. M is equal to 20 newtons divided by, here G is equal to 9.8 Newton per kilogram. Okay, so this divided by 9.8 Newton per kilogram. And that gives you a value of 2.04 kilograms. And then this is M1. M2, similarly, M2 is equal to 50 divided by 9.8 gives a value of 5.1 Newton, 5.1 kilograms. Okay, now the applied force sigma F is equal to MA. Therefore, here the 15 Newton force is applied and it is pulling both the boxes together. Therefore, we have to take the total mass. Okay, total mass times A. Therefore, A is equal to 15 divided by 7.14. That is equal to 2.1 newtons, 2.1 meters per second square. He is asking us to find out the net external force on the upper box. On the upper box, friction is the only force acting on it. Okay, no other force acting on the upper box because the box is sitting on the lower box firmly. So it is the frictional force. Therefore, F friction is your external force acting on the top box. Therefore, F friction is equal to MA. Here, F friction is equal to, what is the mass of the box? 2.04 kilograms times acceleration is 2.10 meters per second square. Therefore, the external force acting on the top of the top box is nothing but 4.28 newtons or 4.3 newtons. Okay, that is the answer for this question. Thank you. Bye-bye.